अरे कई ऐसे भी लड़के हैं जो बोलना तो छोड़ो वो पढ़ना भी नहीं जानते। हाँ। हमारे क्रिकेट की एकेडमी के फॉर्म पे लिखा हुआ था मदर टंग, लड़के ने लिख दिया पिंक।
तुम ऐसी गलती मत करके आना इंटरव्यू में, तो अभी समझ लो क्या व्हाट इज जंक्शन ऑब्जेक्ट इन सेल्सफोर्स. ओके, so let's suppose you are having two objects. What are the two objects? This is your one of the object A and this is another object B. Okay, let's name it as A and let's name it as B. If I want to relate or I want to create many to many relationship among both these objects, then how we will going to do this? What is this many to many? A is having multiple B related to it, plus B is again having multiple A related to it. Okay, so here we are talking about the number of records. Okay, this is also having multiple also having multiple A related to it. So normally if one way, one to many I want to create, either you go with the master detail or the lookup based on the scenarios. What if I want to go with many to many? So in this case directly this is not possible in Salesforce. We will going to take help of what? Junction object. So one of the junction object is there which you need to create, and this junction object will going to have a relationship with A also, plus this will going to have a relationship with B also. Now this will going to act as a mediator so that I can relate this junction object with multiple A, plus I can also relate this junction object with multiple B in this way. Okay, now you can see the same many to many relationship is created, okay, with the help of this junction object.